Handy Hudsonite here. I have just cleaned up my shower. You can see how nice and clean it looks with the tile and the grout. How did I get this so clean from what it was before? You probably saw the picture of the comparison in the thumbnail. I'm going to show you how I got this so clean right after this. You may be like me and you have a lot of people using a shower, probably 3, 4, even more showers every day. It builds up soap scum. It can even develop mold. How do you get off this tough to fight dirt, grease, mold off of your tiles and especially your grout? Well, a product that I discovered recently is called Dirtex. This product here is available. I'll have a link in the description so that you can purchase it on Amazon. It sprays on very easily, develops a foam-like texture that sits on the grime and begins to eat it away. Now, one thing you must keep in mind is you need to be safe around this product. It is a strong chemical, so please, I recommend and even require that you wear safety equipment like goggles, some sort of goggles or safety glasses. You want to also protect your lungs, so please wear a mask or even a respirator would be better. Make sure to open up a window if you have a window in your bathroom or wherever you are that you're using this cleaner, because it is a multi-purpose cleaner. It can be used in a lot of different situations. Just be sure to refer to the directions on how you can best use it. And I also highly recommend you wear safety gloves. These are latex gloves. Please wear that to protect your hands. And to assist in cleaning, I'd recommend a stiff bristle brush. Do not use a wire brush, especially on tile and grout. This one worked well for me. You can also use a towel to help aid the process and help clean it up, dry it off. And this product, this shower has always been difficult for me to clean, and I've spent hours trying to clean it. This cut down on my cleaning time. I was able to do it in a fraction of the time thanks to this strong recommended product. And again, I'll have the link in the description so you can purchase it on Amazon. So I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Don't forget the notification bell so that you can get my content as it goes up, and I will see you in the next video.